Today I'll show you how to take less than $1 worth of aluminum tape and protect your identity from thieves that are trying to steal your credit card information. All the stuff you need to protect in today's world, using any style of wallet. Interested? Here we go. This video came out of my experiencing and learning more about Faraday cages. I'm using Faraday bags. These are wallets that we've had for a while. This is a really nice wallet, but it has no RFID protection. So we're going to build that in to make this wallet usable in today's environment. The material for this build, aluminum ducting tape. You can get a smaller roll for about $5. Some sort of straight edge, preferably metal. A couple sheets of paper. Trace the outlines of the wallet you're going to use. Either use scissors or a straight edge, and then a pencil for marking paper. Optional but helpful, clear tape to protect the metal. I just like to do that as a preventative. This build couldn't be easier. Here's another option that I tested out and verified works. It's just a shield on both sides. I cut out a plastic bag. You can see the corner I took out. You can see the plastic in there, and then it will work with all sorts of RFID cards. I validated it with a security card, and I've tested this concept on dozens of machines, and it works. This is a thinner wallet. On a wallet like this, you're going to want to go with a bigger span to make sure you fully cover the credit cards, and that folds over. You should be able to get the protection just like in this one. I'll put it in this secondary sleeve here, fold it over, and it gets protection on both sides. This one's a little different. You want the protection of both the front and the back, so I'll put a slide in here and then sheathing in here so that when it folds over, it will completely protect the cards. This is the outside of the wallet, so you want something slightly smaller, so I'm going to just trim in a little bit on the inside. The quick fit check indicates I've got it right on this side and this side, but I need to come in a little bit on the ends. So I've got this one pulled in a little bit, and then I'm just going to draw the line and cut here. Do a fit check of the wallet. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. And see, you'll be able to conceal it so no one even know it's there. Do the other side. That way I just know if I can make two of the same shape. There we go. Yep, once that's in place, and you'll get 100% protection. Now we're going to make that out of aluminum tape. What I like to do is just lay the tape on top, and I'm going to make two panels, and I'll tape it down here to hold it in place. Get my straight edge out, and cut. Just check it, make sure it's all lined up. It's a little over. Take my straight edge again. Just a crooked cut from last time. Alright. Tape it back in place. Line it all up, get the straight edge, press firmly enough to cut. There you go. That's the first one. I'm going to lay it down on top as my form, straighten it up, tape to keep it all in place. I don't care if it goes over the edge a little bit, trim it off. Get my metal straight edge out and just cut along that line and even it off. So I can do a fit check to make sure this is going to work. Alright, looks pretty good. You won't even be able to tell there, and yet it will completely block anybody trying to scan your cards. I take it back out. Now I'm just going to clear coat it on this tape over and leave a little bit on the edge that I can wrap down and around. See, that seals this side and that side sealed. Then I'm just going to make an incision here in the clear tape, and on this side fold this over, cut off those little extra tabs, and there, you're done. So make another one so I can cover both sides. Now I didn't fit check this, hopefully it'll work. Give it a shot. Bingo! If you don't want the shiny side facing in, then you just turn around. See, now you can open the wallet. No one will know you actually have shielding protection. You can't feel it. A wallet you can use safely and confidently that nothing's going to happen. Same thing for this one, except for you would make small little shields. Same technique that you pretty much saw everything here. I am going to do one of these that goes the length because it's a little bit bigger. So I've laid out the wallet. I'm using the straight edge of the paper as one side. Trace the line. It's okay if you go under a little bit, but I'm going to use the straight edge to clean it up. Quick check of the wallet. Got a lip. Mark it here on both ends so I get the right size. So a little bit on that side, a bit on this side, about here on this end. Take the straight edge, cut it out. I'm going to do a fit check, see if I got it right. and I'm a little long on the ends, and I'm about that far up. So I'm gonna mark where I need to trim, and I'm gonna take a tad bit off of this edge here to make it fit better. Do one more fit check and see how we did. Get it right this time. Yep, see, we'll be able to fully conceal the foil. You won't be able to even see it unless you open that up, and if anybody's looking in your wallet this way, they better be a friend. Lay it out, tape it out. This is my younger son's wallet, so I think I'm going to just tape it all up because it's going to see a little more activity than this one. One more fit check before we go any further and finish the taping job. Put the silver on the outside to protect it. Right there. Pull it up. Won't even know unless you open it up like this, and even then, it just looks like maybe an envelope. I'm going to run some clear tape on top and bottom here, top and bottom there, just to seal it off, protect it, and then I'm done. And that end's taken care of. If you happen to get a buckle like that in it, peel it back, bring it down, and then seal it up. Slide it in. There'll be no electronic sniffing of this wallet, or this wallet, or this wallet. There you go. 3 wallets, no more than $1, probably 50 cents a piece. And you've protected them all from cyber sleuthing, cyber sniffing. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button below so that you can find out about all my future builds, my evaluations, my testing, my breaking of stuff. Coming soon. I post at least once a week, ideally twice or more.